see that? Yo, that's spinning. That's spinning. Look at that. That's spinning right there. That's rotating right there. That's a four-main tornado right there. You see that? That's rotating right there. Look at that. That is a rotating swirl right there. Look at that. You can literally see it spinning. Let me zoom in on that. I'm gonna try to fast forward the video, but dude, that's spinning, bro. Look at that, it's making a bulb right there. So hard to keep the camera still, but there's bugs flying in your ear. That's insane. It's dying out, but dude, that's insane. It's weakening out. That was sick, dude. You just had a swirl spitting. I think that was a mezzo just then. You just saw where it's starting to weaken now, but that was insane. There was a rotating swirl right there, and now it's just dead.